So guys, basically I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what my morning routine looks like. You know, I hop in the shower every single morning and at night, as you should. And of course, I go ahead and do a little bit of singing. Now, I am going to be using Aveeno face pads. Remember I told you guys in my last video, I don't know if you guys watched it, but these face pads work wonders. Like the only face wash that I really love using. And of course, you know, I'm still singing in the shower. Can't get enough of that. Now, what these Aveeno face pads does, it doesn't dry up your skin, and that's what I really love about it. It makes my skin feel really moisturized after I finish washing my face. And you guys should definitely go ahead and try that out. Next, I will be using this Dove soap. Guys, this soap smells so amazing. It smells like pears. Like, it smells so delicious. Next, I am going to be using this Clear Prep. It's a hydrating cleanser. Now, I am going to be using this as shaving cream just because I love the way it makes my skin feel afterwards. So I did flip my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair up and put it in a towel. Now, guys, hydration is important. I did go ahead and lather my body with this coconut oil all over. And, you know, go ahead and brush my teeth. You know, y'all got to brush your teeth really good. So next, guys, I will be using this anti-aging vitamin C by Advanced Clinicals. Now, this does target dark spots in any uneven skin tone. So if you guys suffer from any acne marks, this definitely helps clear up all those scars that is on your face. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is rub this all into my skin. And then next, I am going to follow up with the moisturizer for my skin. Now, I don't know if you guys watched my other video, but this vitamin C moisturizer, guys, it's so good. And I love a thick, creamy moisturizer. It's not a thin moisturizer. So once you get finished rubbing this all in your skin feels super shiny, and it just feels amazing afterwards. And this also helps support like any uneven skin tone and dark marks on your face as well. And it smells really good. Okay, now once that is all rubbed in, you know, get it all in there. And then I am going to follow up with some Carmax, guys, because my lips be so dry afterwards. And this is what my skin looks like so far. Oh, and guys, I do want to tell you, so I bought this Jamaican black castor oil from Target. It's by Sunny Isle. Now, I am going to start applying this all over my eyebrows and also all over my eyelashes. This reason is because lately, I don't know why, it's like when I'm bored, I find myself plucking my eyebrows, like with my hands, like pulling hair out of my eyebrows. And I found some missing pieces, like missing hairs on my eyebrows. So I decided to use this castor oil because I heard that castor oil really supports hair growth, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lashes as well because I do want my lashes to grow longer, and I also want my eyebrows to grow thicker as well. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is press down on my eyelashes, make sure it's all rubbed in. And yeah, guys, that's my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video.